everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys Walgreens deals that you guys can do online. Now please keep in mind they did change it where you have to spend $35 or more to get free shipping. Now I don't know if that is factored in after using coupons. I do not know unless I tested it out. But you guys can always buy all this stuff online and have it in-store pickup. Or you can just go to the store and get this stuff too. As long as you keep your hands clean, don't touch your face, keep distance from people, you guys will be safe. So here on the front page, they got Oreos 2 for $5. It's a great deal for $2.50 a piece if you guys need to do that. The soda is not the greatest deal, but they are 3 for $10.99 if you guys need to go. If you guys need soda for Coke or Pepsi products. Now I was gonna do the Scott's deal. Sorry, you guys can't see it. I was gonna do the Scott's deal, but it's really, you can't really buy anything online. It's completely sold out. The Ajax and the Dawn soap are 99 cents. That Ajax at my store normally is $1. So you're saving 1 penny if you guys need to get that. Now, the soft soap in Irish Springs, I didn't get any digital coupons for it. I don't know about paper coupons, but I did not get any digital coupons. This is not the greatest deal, and it does say limit 5,000 points per transaction, so I think people used to buy a ton of it, but I don't know how you can buy a ton of it when people aren't going to get it for a good deal. But anyways, if you guys choose to do this online or in the store, it'll be $4.99. You guys need to buy 2 of them. You would pay $9.98. You get 5,000 points, comes out to be $4.98 or just $2.49 a piece. Not the greatest deal. On the bottom they have the Crest Toothpaste. Now I have a ton of different digitals. I have dollar off digitals. I think I have a 4 off of 2 or 4 off of 3, I can't remember. And then I have a 6 off of 4. Now this is an okay deal. Mostly if you guys are going to get like mouthwash or toothbrushes, toothpaste, I really wouldn't do this deal for. But $2.99, you want to use that 6 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys would pay $5.96. You would get a $3 register reward, making it $2.96 or just 74 cents a piece. Now, somebody commented that if you guys buy this stuff online with the register reward, you get points. Can I get a couple people to confirm that? Because I thought you don't get it at all. So please let me know if you guys done the register reward deals and you got points instead doing the deal online. I would like to know because then you guys can save yourself trips on going to the store for future deals. They got cereal, $1.99. I know we got some 50-cent off coupons for that. I tried figuring out a scenario for this, but there really wasn't anything. L'Oreal, I think I got like a $4 off coupon for the makeup, but there is some other good deals that are coming up. A lot of food deals if you guys need to get food. I mean, they got Folgers, $2.99, oats, $1.99. So this is a good place. Walgreens gets shopped on a lot, but not everybody at the same time like grocery stores. So if you guys need food or anything, Walgreens you can get in and get out and not worry about really making a lot of contact with people. But I did try these brownies, these M&Ms if I haven't told you guys. They're actually pretty decent. They're pretty good. I haven't eaten the whole bag. I've been slowly eating them, but I don't binge eat candy. So there's that. If you guys need some paper towel, aluminum foil or paper plates, those are 99 cents. You can buy those online also. You just clip that coupon to your card. They got Palmolive, $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon. You guys get those for $1.49. Now I didn't see any very good deals with laundry detergent and all that stuff, but if you guys need to get some of that stuff, there might be some deals. I didn't see any digital coupons. But here we got the Speed Stick deodorant. Now online, those are $2.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So you guys can buy one men's and one women's and use 2 different 50-cent off coupons. You guys would pay $3.48 for 2 of those. But then you guys would get 3,000 points, making it just 48 cents. So that is a pretty good deal. You basically get one for like 24 cents a piece. That is a great deal. You guys can pay with points on that deal and you can do it online. So go ahead, do that deal if you guys need to. Now they had some Schick and Skintimate coupons to clip, But they have a deal where if you spend 20, you get 5,000 points. Now, I don't know if this is a deal where you guys can combine it to get 5,000 points, or do you have to spend 20 here and 20 here? I am not sure unless I check this tag at the store. So if you guys need to go, you know, get razors, definitely check that out and see what you can mix and match. I tried figuring something out online, but it just wouldn't let me. L'Oreal Paris is 2 for $8. There is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys can clip. There's also a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, plus it looks like we'll get it in our papers, making them $1.50 a piece. If you guys need that, it's an okay deal, but we can get it usually for $1 or less. Now here they got Maybelline, and I've been totally forgetting to show you guys these deals. So here is, hold on, let me find Maybelline. Now these are buy one, get one 50% off, you guys, okay? So I actually got a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. Now it doesn't show up on here, but I personally got a 10 off of 2. So this mascara is $9.99. It is buy one, get one 50% off. You can buy 2 of them. If you guys have that 10 off of 2, you would pay $4.98. So you get them for basically like $2.49 a piece. Otherwise, here they got the Great Lash. Those are $7.79. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. I don't know if I can do it with the employee discount without testing it out, but without the employee discount, it comes out to be $1.68 for both of those, which I think is a pretty good deal. I forgot to go back on this one. But here is the Crest deal that I was telling you guys about, but I do have a 6, and then there is a $5 coupon. The Speed Stick, again, you know, there's that. I keep having these all pulled up for you guys. Now the Chic deal, it does say spend 20, get 5,000 points, but I don't know if you guys can use it. It says view participating products, so all of a sudden now it's not loading. So it looks like it might be included, you guys, because these are different Chic razors. Okay, good to know, good to know. I might figure out something to do with that. The ones that are $5.99 and $8.99 look like you guys can combine them. So we got that. Sorry, I just posted one of my videos. So the Maybelline deal, I showed you guys with that. Now there's a good deal that I got that I'm pretty excited for. I'm going to cancel out of the Maybelline. Now, if you guys go to the next area, there is an Old Spice and Olay deal. Now, I would not do this deal this week, you guys. I ended up getting a $4 off a 2 digital coupon for the Old Spice and the Olay, and then I also got a $8 off of 4 Old Spice digital coupon. But you guys, I wouldn't do this. I would wait. The 4 off of 4s actually expire June 6th, and the 8 off of 4 expires June 13th. So you guys have at least a month or so to use those digital coupons, so don't do it. But if you guys need body wash, these are currently on sale for 2 for $12. I don't know why it's not showing the sale price, but 2 for $12. You guys want to use either the 4 $2, or the 4 off of 2 coupons, 2 of those, or the 8 off of 4, but you get them for $16, just $4 a piece. I would not do that deal unless you guys absolutely need body wash, but I know a lot of us already have body wash, so I just wanted to share with you guys with that deal for this, just in case you guys need some stuff. And then there was Olay, and I don't know. Okay, so Olay right here is buy one, get one 50% off. Now, I actually like using this Olay. This is $22.89. Now, I actually got some digital coupons for myself. I had a 10 off of 1 digital coupon, and I also have an $8 off digital coupon. Okay, so that is $22.89. I did not do the math for you guys. No, I did not do the math. It'll be $22.89. I wrote the math for me, but $22.89, $11.44. If you guys have that 10 off a coupon and you have the 8, you could get them for $16.33, or Why when I'm trying to do this, it doesn't work. It's 1633 divided by 2. You get it for $8.16. Now, if you guys are, you know, brand loyal and you guys really like this, that's an okay deal. I'm going to definitely do this deal because I think, you know, if the price that I can get it with my employee discount, I think it's a great deal. Plus, this counts towards beauty, and there might be a P&G rebate for it, maybe, if you guys can go ahead and do that. So I wanted to share with you with that in case you guys need to do that. Okay. So now we also have the Gold Bond. Now Gold Bond, I found this powder. This is $4.79. It's buy one get one 50% off. You guys would use there's actually 2 digital off coupons, so you guys can use 1 and 1, it looks like. Clip it to your card. You guys would pay $5.18 for 2 of them, but then you get 2,000 points, comes up to $3.18. I don't know if you guys are into Gold Bond, but if you guys need to go ahead and do that, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Okay guys, fixed it. So right here they got L'Oreal Paris. It looks like everything's like 20% off. Then it says if you spend $35 or more, you'll get a $10 rebate. But there is some deals. You guys can either do it with these Vitalift wipe towelettes, or if you guys need this stuff, these are $5.43. You guys can use that $2 off coupon that's in the Walgreens booklet. I'm not sure if there's any paper coupons out there. I don't get any, but if you guys get them, that's awesome. But you guys will get them for $3.43 in case you guys need some stuff. I mean, that's a pretty decent price to get that. I didn't have a picture for you, but the Colgate, we did get some digital coupons. I saw one for toothbrushes, mouthwash, and toothpaste, so you guys can mix and match if you do this deal online or if in the store. But they are $3.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons or digital coupons, you would pay $5.98, but then you guys will get 5,000 points when you buy 2, making them just 98 cents. That's 49 cents a piece. So pretty good deal. There's a lot of Claritin stuff. I didn't really figure out the math on that stuff or anything else, but I did really get some good personal coupons for myself. If you guys have any word and when Walgreens is hitting 90%, please let me know. I do know it's 70 or 75% right now, but we will see how it goes, and once I find out, I will let you guys know. But if you enjoyed this, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I may or may not do a haul for you. There are some items that I do want to get, and I really don't like it how you have to spend $35 or more. I think they're just doing that because they are so far behind on online orders that I think they're just trying to get caught up, because I'm looking at 2.5 weeks before I even get my stuff. So, but I did order some stuff I think last week and it's already shipping, so they are getting caught up on that. So let me know if you guys have any new information. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.